Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Stupendous Wave, and in this video we'll be talking about the Star Wars Episode 7 Trailer 3 release date supposedly being confirmed. Now, this has not been confirmed by Disney or Lucasfilm at this point, but it has been confirmed by Screen Crush, so I'm going to go ahead and real quick tell you the date. It is next Monday, October 19th, so really soon. Now, we did get trailer 2, but that was months and months ago, and the reason that Screen Crush has been talking about this and saying that it is confirmed is that it will coincide with the release of the tickets, or the pre-sale tickets, which Cinemark has confirmed that they will start selling the pre-sale tickets for episode 7 on October 19th, which is 2 months before the release of the movie, which is crazy. But I'm definitely going to go pick up my tickets on October 19th, and I'm very excited to see the trailer. Hopefully Disney or Lucasfilm will announce it by then. And so yeah, this is just coming out right now, and I'm very excited. I actually did have a few Star Wars videos planned, but I'm releasing this one instead. But I will have a Star Wars video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I think you guys will like it. I know I've been taking a break of it, so I apologize for the Star Wars subscribers. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you guys think about the release date, October 19th, for Star Wars Episode 7 Trailer 3? I am so excited. Expect a breakdown/review on my channel. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and have a great day.